How to maintain the cutting machine. Step 1. To clean the sawdust dust in the dust box. Keep it clean. Step 2. To clean the sawdust dust of the dust suction pipe. Step 3. To clean the rack dust with an air gun. Just spray water to remove rust. No need to brush oil. Step 4. To clean the Y-axis rack with an air gun. Wood dust on guide rail. Step 5. To use an air gun to clean the sawdust dust of the towing line. Keep it clean and hygienic. Step 6. To keep enough oil in the oil pump. Step 7. To add pneumatic oil to the oil mist sprayer. Add to oil cup 2/3 oil volume. Step 8. That the control cabinet needs to clean the machine ash under the condition of power failure. Keep it clean. Step 9. The battery box in the tray under the keyboard of the new control cabinet is replaced once every 6 months when it is electrified. Step 10. Regularly clean the sediment in the water tank. Change clean water, preventing blockage of water inlet.